Welcome to Babonga's channel. If you wanna know how you can make one of these polymer clay Christmas focal beads, stay with me until the end of this video. All you need is polymer clay, liquid polymer clay and glitter dust. Roll your clay into the shape of an elongated bead or a peel. And roll this colorful clay peel into glitter dust that matches its color. Gold for gold, red for red, blue for blue, and so on, and try to cover it as much as you can. When everything is nice and shiny, it's time for piercing. I'm going in with a hat pin, twisting, not pressing, and making sure that my bead rolls freely. I follow this with a toothpick to enlarge the hole. Piercing this long bead could be tricky, so you must be patient, and it helps if you turn your bead around all the time. Next step is the oven. Bake for 10 minutes. You can use this time to create the details that will make the pattern on your bead. Take a very small amount of colorful clay and make some leaves and tiny dots. For each bead, you need 3 leaf shapes and 1 very small dot. Now you have your beads to work on and the additions. Let's get started. It helps if you mount your bead on a toothpick. Apply a drop of liquid clay and start adding carefully. Press lightly and create the motif of 3 leaves. Work it a little bit so it stays in place. With your knife, give it the texture of leaves. This light pressure helps the motif to become integrated with the body of the bead better. Take your time to create the impression of a slightly raised relief. Add the dot in the middle of the pattern. And now it's time for mica powder. Gold, silver or colored. Choose the ones that you like and apply very lightly with your finger. Mica powder will bring out your pattern better. As you see, I'm using different micas for differently colored clays. After this, it's time for the oven once more. Bake for 30 minutes and let it cool. Gloss varnish is absolutely necessary for the glitter dust to stay in place. And this was how you can make polymer clay Christmas focal beads for your bracelets or charms. Thank you for watching.